Hi everyone, I am Satnam Singh here. This is video number 4 regarding God, energy, science and spirituality. So as I told earlier, that everything in this universe is connected with each other through this God energy. And as an individual item, if we are going to do the research and we are trying to find out the solutions, which will never happen, because where we are searching on an individual basis, it will not give us the correct results. Though we are finding energy everywhere and we are trying to search the same in each and every item, but we are not in a position to know the real reason how it is happening, from where the God energy is coming, how the electron, protons, photons, etc. are functioning, from where they are being produced, and how they are coming, how they are moving, spinning or rotating, or are involved in revolutions. So all those things will be only knowing after we know the concept of God energy. So in this video, I will just highlight about the electricity, how it is produced, and what the scientists they think, what is the theory behind it. So practically it is okay, everything is okay, formulas are okay, because these have been done on the practical basis. But theory behind it, to what extent it is true, though we are very near, but still serious gaps are there. Till we resolve those gaps, we will never be in a position to know why it is happening, how the electricity is being produced. So there are so many ways of producing electricity. This is not only one of the ways what we are going to talk about here. We are finding this God energy throughout the universe. This can be produced anywhere with different methods and techniques, provided we should know about the concept of God energy, how it functions. I am giving here only macro view, because at micro level already a lot of researches have been done. So those only will be clear if you know the overall macro view. So in a simplest possible way, I am trying to make you understand, because scientists or engineers, they know this is basic information only I am providing. But those who don't know, for them, okay, something is better than nothing. It is a question of that only. Because only what are the loose connections I want to attach, I want to connect those things, so that we should know overall position, rather than doing researches on the individual items. Because if we keep on doing researching on each and every item in this universe, every item will give different results. So this will be useful in as we proceed further. So this is essential to know about the electricity production. So as per the I will explain what the scientists they think what is electricity, and I will what are the modifications what I have come to my mind. Maybe it is again subject to so many modifications or further. There is no end to that till we know the whole concept. Even if we know the whole concept also, but it is a very complex system. The more and more you know about it, more and more further mysteries will come, old will be resolved, and this process continues. And this is applicable to each and everything in the universe, not only the items or substances, but beyond that there is another word that will also be known, whatever has been mentioned in the religious books, and to what extent it is true, and that will also be known. So towards this end, so what is electricity? Electricity is if you put two magnets here, so magnetic field will be created. From north to south, something is moving as if it appears. And as per the scientists, if you disturb this magnetic field, then a electromotive force, we call it a potential difference or voltage, so some force will be introduced in that conductor. So that conductor will produce electricity by the flow of electrons. So where two magnets are there, this is electric field rotating, moving from north to south actually, and this is a conductor which is mounted on a shaft, and it is connected to a ammeter and a bulb. So when the electricity will flow, ammeter will show the reading and how much is the electricity, how much is the current in this one, or if voltmeter is there, that will tell us what is the voltage, and bulb will switch on or switch off, or it will glow. It will glow, and this will show us electricity is produced. So we have to move, the only condition is conductor. So if you put this shaft inside this field and we rotate it, then the electricity is generated. It is as simple as that. So an individual can produce it. If we, for a small this thing, electricity production, we put the two magnets and put the shaft and mount the conductor on it, and if you move this thing with the hand also, electricity will be generated. Another, in bigger plants, in thermal plants, this shaft is moved, this bigger shaft, very big shaft. This is with the help of thermal power plants. With the help of boilers, the steam is generated, which steam is thrown on the turbines of the shaft, and this will move the shaft. In hydro plants, again water is coming, which is falling on the turbine blades, and which is moving the turbine, and which are mounted on the shaft, and shaft will rotate. Similar is the thing with the nuclear power plant also. That energy is used to produce steam, and steam is going to move the turbine, and that is at higher speed. That is the purpose is only to move the shaft. If you can move the shaft, you can generate electricity. So what are the things required? Two magnets and shaft to rotate, and over each conductor is mounted. Three things are the basic requirements. So what is the motor? Motor is the reverse of this one. In the magnetic field, if we put another resisting coil with the electricity passing through it, then the shaft will move. So that becomes a motor. So both are just opposite to each other. So this is generator, and this electricity will move through the conductor. So what are the electrons? So for that we have to just a little understand about the atom. So we'll go to that. First let us see what are the points which this theory fails to clarify. Practically this is okay, everything is okay, formulas are okay, this has been done on practice basis. But this theory says if the electrons are passing, this should be a closed circuit. So the flow of electrons is from here. What are the atoms in this thing? Outer circle that electrons move, and that flow itself is electricity. But it is not perfect to point out how this energy